Tashi Delek to our teacher and my dear friends. Today I am going to do a simple experiment which is related to air. Hope you will gain some knowledge and like it. So let's start. I am going to investigate on whether the water will flow through the straw when I open the cap of the bottle. I am going to use bottle, water and straw to do my experiment. Material required are straw, bottle, water, lighter, container and metal rod. With the help of this material, I am going to do my experiment. So let's talk about procedure. First, make a small hole at the side bottom of the bottle. How to make a small hole at the side bottom of the bottle? So I will teach you how to make. First, take a metal rod and heat its one end with the help of lighter until its end becomes hot enough to melt a plastic. Then, take the heated end of the metal rod and place it at the side bottom of the bottle. So, I will demonstrate you the first step. Bottle, lighter, metal rods. I am using tissue paper to hold the metal rods while heating, otherwise my fingers will burn because metal is the good conductor of heat. Side bottom of the bottle means side of the bottle is this and the bottom of the bottle is this. But side bottom of the bottle is this part. At side bottom of the bottle, I will mark a point at here. So I am going to heat the metal rods. So I have heated the metal rods and I am going to place it on the point to make hole. First step finish. Second step, take a short straw like this and put it inside the hole of the bottle. We have to remember two things. First things, straw has to be fitted inside the hole of the bottle. Second things, round sides of the straw has to be equal to the round sides of the hole. Round sides of the straw is this and the round sides of the hole is this. So I am going to put the straw into the hole. Like this. After that, we have to place finger on the round sides of the straw to prevent a flow of water. Then we have to put water in the bottle. So I am going to demonstrate it. So I am going to pour water into bottle. While pouring water, we have to place a finger on the round sides of the straw, like this. Look, I have closed the lid and also the water is not coming through the straw. If I open the lid, what will happen? Let's check it out. As you can see, when I open the lid, water starts flowing. When I close the lid, water stops flowing through the straw. The reason behind this experiment will be explained in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.